let's talk about short attention spans and what you can do about it. Hold on there. I forgot what I was going to say. No, I'm only kidding. So attention is a cognitive skill. It's something that people are kind of born with. So if it's something that's hard for them, they have to really exercise it. It's something you really learn. So you are kind of cognitively wired. Some people just have better attention skills than others, but you can certainly enhance those attention skills. So we have to actually teach that. So I like to make challenges in my classroom with kids. And so again, I bring out my little timers. I'm a big fan of that. You can use the timer on the smart board, or you can use the electronic timer. I like to use little old-fashioned fun stuff. So again, I might bring out my timer like this with the sand in it, and I'm going to say, guys, attention for 5 minutes, go. And that means, look at me, look at me, look at me. It's all right here. This is where the show is. And then maybe a month later, I bring out my 10-minute timer and I go, we're going for 10 this week. And kids are like, okay, we got this. So make it a little bit more inviting, and like you're trying to expand, even draw on the board. You've got this much attention in your brain right now. We're going to get it to this much this week. Okay, so we got this, and really work on how to attend. So give them some ideas on being able to do that. What do you do when you get distracted? When all of a sudden, squirrel, right? That happens, squirrel. Like I've shown that movie lots of times, squirrel. And so what do? You bring yourself back. You say to yourself, look at the timer. Look at the timer. I got this. I can attend. The other thing you can do is make yourself really visible. Stand on, don't stand on a chair because I don't want you to get hurt, but make a little box or something to stand on. Be in the front of the classroom. And let's face it, when you go to the theater, when you go to a show, the attention is there because they are up there. So put yourself up there and say, guys, 5 minutes right here. This is where the show is. You got it. Thanks for watching. Please hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment.